Hey there, Matt Moore over at EZ Dent, and today I want to talk about how much we love and are so well equipped to work on your Tesla vehicle. Whether it's a Model A, a Y, an S, or even the upcoming Cybertruck, we are a perfect fit for any Teslas on the market. One of the reasons that we're such a great fit with our paintless dent repair services is that many customers don't know you can't take your Tesla to just any traditional body shop. The parts aren't licensed and most shops aren't able to even work on them. Not only are they aluminum, but they're also pretty protective of their processes. So if your car does get a small dent or ding, or even something with hail damage, or maybe something a little larger, we're a great fit. And one of the reasons is that we can repair these without paint, Bondo, or even replacing parts. We also service Teslas by installing window tint, paint protection film, and even ceramic coating. Our Tesla owners are some of our favorite customers. They adore their car, they love it inside and out, and they respect the process of the repair. Here at our Duluth location, we are even equipped with a 1450 NEMA charger, so that when you drop your vehicle off, you'll get it picked up, fully charged, and ready for you to take it away. As an IMI accredited shop, we are not only equipped to power down your vehicle, we're also trained to make sure that it's done properly and safely, so as to respect the integrity of the vehicle and also the technicians that are working on it. If you own a Tesla, you know that not only does the paint look fantastic, but the interior is what really makes it pop. That's why you may be interested in having some ceramic coating applied. On the one behind me, we've applied ceramic to the exterior surface. We've also put paint protection film and window tint just to make sure it lasts just as long as the vehicle is owned by this customer. If your Tesla has one of the premium white interior leather, you may be concerned about any kind of denim or staining that would go on the seats. It's one of the reasons that we offer ceramic coating not just to the paint, but to the interior as well. It will really protect that surface and make it last as long as the customer owns the vehicle. We like Tesla so much, we even own one as our shop courtesy vehicle. It's what we use to take customers home if they're leaving their vehicle with us for an extended period. If you have a Tesla and you have a dent repair, or you have some paint correction needed, or PPF, window tint, or ceramic coating, we're a perfect fit, and we'd love to service you. If you have any needs for repairs or protection on your Tesla, please swing by. We're happy to help you out. We'd love to earn your business. Thanks for watching.